Document tracking templates empower you to keep track of all the documents needed for a file, what documents are needed, who needs to sign them, and what signatures are missing. I'm going to walk you through creating and using a document tracking template for listing files. The process is the same for either listings or transactions. Select Templates from the top menu bar. Then Documents. Select Add New Folder from the Action menu. Click the pencil to name the collection. Type Listing Documents. I'm going to create 2 subfolders. One for the documents I need initially to activate the listing, and the other documents that I need to complete the file. Click the Add Document button. Rename it Exclusive Right to Sell Contract. Click on BR for Broker, S for Seller, and LA for Listing Agent. As these are the required signatures for this document, they now show up in red. I will continue to do this for the remaining documents needed. For each document I add, I rename and specify which signatures are needed. Once a document template is set up, you can add them to transactions or listings. So now I'll show you how to add the document template I just created to one of my listings. Click on the Documents icon from the top menu bar. From the Actions menu, you have the choice to import a folder or add a folder. Allows you to create a document folder with documents specific to the file. It does not create a template for future use. I'll select Import a folder to use the document template I just created. The up-down arrows allow you to collapse and expand the folder. Now let's use the features available to track the status of the documents. The Exclusive Right to Sell Contract, the Wire Fraud Notice, and Broker Disclosure Form are all fully executed. Click Fully Execute. Now, these documents show as green. I will mark them as complete. The lead paint form is not applicable to this listing, so I click the Not Applicable button. And the color is removed from this document. The legal description addendum and ABA disclosure are both waiting on the seller's signature. I have already sent them for signature, so I'm going to click the S icons once to mark them as yellow. The agent signed the net sheet. I will click the LA icon twice to change the color to green. However, the seller has not yet, so I will click the S icon once to show that I have sent it. The seller missed initialing one of the pages on the seller's condition of property, so I will mark the S icon yellow so that I know there is an issue. I will add a comment so I can remind myself what's needed. Missing seller's initials on page 3. Within the transaction or listing file, you can add documents to the document folders. For example, I'm going to add a swimming pool disclosure to this listing. And indicate that the seller and buyer need to sign it. There's so many details to track as a TC. tcDocs makes it all manageable and leaves me feeling confident that critical documents are not being missed.